I'm Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker Realty in Maplewood, New Jersey, and I'm here to talk to you today about April showers and tubs and vanities. Yeah, that's right. I'm here in my bathroom today to talk to you about bathrooms. You see, I've been to a lot of open houses recently, and one thing I've noticed is that sellers are really upping their bathroom game. They're really changing bathrooms from just a simple necessity to an opportunity to really showcase their flair for style and design and their desire for comfort. So I thought, maybe I would showcase some of the examples that I've seen recently in case you're interested in upping your bathroom game. My bathroom is very small, so I'm particularly partial to great storage solutions like this custom cabinet, or this great use of a narrow gap next to the shower. Here's another example where you don't have to reach up on tippy toes to get to the top. And one last example of using that narrow gap with a great color scheme too. I'm also partial to cutout shelves in the shower. This shower incorporates a bench and a cutout with 2 shelves. Nice! And we'll end this section on bathroom storage with this great recessed shelf over the toilet. This builder found a great way to move the washer and dryer upstairs, stashing it away behind the door to the bathroom. That's very convenient. And speaking of doors, sometimes they can get in the way, so this homer put in a folding door instead. Another great option is a pocket door like you see here. Another option is a barn door, like the one to this water closet. The barn door can be a great solution, especially when your bathroom opens off a narrow hallway. Moving on from doors, who doesn't love a vessel sink? Or maybe even 2? And who says farm sinks are only for the kitchen? Here's a tiny farm sink on a floating vanity. Maybe what you really need is a red sink, or a sink that matches your tub. A shower with a separate soaking tub is always nice, especially when it's beneath a great picture window. Need a bathroom on the 3rd floor? Why not tuck the tub with a hand shower beneath a sloped wall? And of course, there's nothing wrong with a nice statement shower too. I love the way this bathroom pairs the modern fixtures with the original subway tile. But nothing is as timeless as a classic black and white tile bathroom. I hope this video has given you some great ideas for upping your bathroom game. On the other hand, if you're looking to buy a bathroom and the rest of a house, or to sell your home, give me a call or text me at 973-462-4079. I'm really happy to help you find a great bathroom or 2.5. Remember, when you find Tim, you'll find home.